Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having good luck with your gardening and all of your projects. And without further ado, let's get to today's project. It's a big one. Drum roll, please. There we have it. We got our big boy inverter. No more screwing around with these little things. Here's our LV6548. I have that out so I can compare the size. And we do have some damage to the box. I'm hoping that the unit is unscathed. Saw a couple other dents somewhere. Yeah, there's a hole here and here. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm sure it's probably fine. They package these things pretty darn well. Building with Todd. My YouTube channel name's on the box. Alright, well, let's hell, nobody's opened this yet, so let's be the first one to do it. Nice and careful. Alright. Oh, look, the seal's broken on this side. Looks like that's just from shipping. Only this little spot is messed up there. It's okay. Should be fine. But documenting all of that. Cover my butt. Okay. There it is. Zoom out a little bit. It is hot today. Somebody's getting in trouble. I hear a dog yelling at another dog. Alright, here's our template. Give us an idea how big this is, where the mounting areas are. So, let's compare it to the space we have in here. Sorry about the noise. Oh, look at that. It fits. I don't think I'll have to move the breaker. I'm going to clean all this up though, make it look neat. This is going out, bye-bye. Still not charging. Well, we are using 43%, so that could have a factor. We will put this aside so I don't lose it. Put it here for now. Go back to the unit itself. Big mess. That's all going to get straightened out. I want this to be a beautiful, beautiful thing. Alright, here's our mounting hardware. Cool beans. Looks like, please inquire your local supplier for customer code during registration. Okay, I will do that. Put the brackets aside for now. Holy cow, that thing's huge. Okay, so I don't think any of those dents did anything to the unit itself. It's kind of weird the bag's tore, but whatever. Yeah, this is a lot bigger. This thing weighs over 100 pounds. I think this thing only weighs, I don't know, 50 pounds maybe. I'll set it up here and compare it. I'll set down the camera for a second. Okay, there's a comparison in size of the LV6548 versus the 12K. That is a lot bigger. It's a lot thicker too. Looks like it's twice as thick as this one. Got nice sturdy metal handles. That'll make it a cinch getting it mounted on the wall. Looks like we get the brackets up there and then lift the unit up. I'll have to get someone to come help me with that. Maybe the dogs will help. Got some heavy duty hardware for mounting. Got communication cables. Now something I noticed, I don't know if this matters or not, but when I was reading the specifications, it said that you should use 200 amp hour batteries. So I hope that's not going to be a problem because we have 96 280 amp hour batteries. So maybe somebody that knows more than I do, which is most of you guys, will let me know in the comments if that matters or not. Because that's like $20,000 for the batteries that may or may not be any good. But I think we'll wrap this up. We'll make it short and sweet. It is hot and sweaty out. I don't know why I keep saying it's hot and sweaty out. It's hot and I'm sweaty outside. It's humid. Oh goodness. All right, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Keep an eye out. We're gonna have another video pretty shortly. I want to get this hooked up and going pretty quick. I'm really excited about using the 240 volt leg on it. We're gonna use the CNC plasma table, and then also the welder. We could turn the welder up to 240 volts. So the plasma tool and the welder both have a detachable power plug. So this came with a 240 volt plug, and so did the plasma cutter. So we'll be testing those out. Our solar array is nowhere near big enough to max out the PV input, so we won't be able to do anything with that. You'll have to look to a much bigger YouTube channel like Will Prowess or something like that to have them test that. We've only got 30 panels here, and we have 19, 20, 21 panels up on this roof. Actually, there's 19, and then there's 2 more down here we're going to add to this. And then we're going to be able to increase the input quite a bit. And then I may rearrange the wiring on the solar array. Holy moly! Look at that! Sorry to sidetrack, but that's absolutely beautiful. Holy cow! I have never seen this cactus bloom. It is covered in massive flowers. It looks like there's all kinds of pollinators in there getting pollinated. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Back to the solar array. So we have a pallet of 14 more solar panels down there. We're going to add to this. I may take the top row off and then add the used panels. That way they're all the same voltage. Yeah. All right, you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those in down below. I appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up. And as always, keep building. And try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long. A little bit of kindness will go a long ways. So God bless you all, and peace. Maybe put some solar panels up there.